As you can see, the week-old turbocharger has a ton of side-to-side shaft play.
I can't run away. I can't. Charles, I'm your father. I'm responsible for your well-being. And I'm responsible for not this. I gotta do this. Can you understand that?
This turbo has been installed for about a week. The serial number on the turbo. The center bolts have not been touched. The filter is still in place. Seals have not been broken. There is absolutely no reason why this turbo should not be repaired. The seals on the shaft are still there.
You alright, man? Believe it's out.
About a month old. Been on the car for about a week. Then it started smoking.